Well, Chris Popper joined here by Robin Jones at the historic Grand Theater in Ellsworth. And we're taping this on Tuesday.
Yeah.
Tomorrow, Wednesday, is the Ellsworth, the Grand,
Yes.
in conjunction with the Downeast Family Y.
There's going to be an anti-bullying parade.
Yep.
That's being mostly handled by the Y, but we're of course showing our support, and really everybody can. This will happen after school tomorrow afternoon, but everybody can by wearing orange tomorrow. We'll have a special marquee up to remind everybody about it, but it's really something that cuts across all lives, all persuasions. I can't think of a person that I know that's in the arts or in sports or anything in the school system that hasn't had to deal with this at some point in their lives. And it's out of control, and everybody's on board with that. So we're going to take part in this very special parade to remind people about what's really at stake here.
Okay. So again, that's tomorrow, Wednesday.
Wednesday.
And, yeah. Here at the Grand, there's a lot happening. The great performance of Annie continues.
Well, speaking of bullies,
yes,
that horrific drunken bully, Miss Hannigan, will be on display in Annie, though we tried to stop it. Every single performance this weekend. This is our final weekend of this incredibly well-reviewed, well-attended show. Please get your tickets now if you haven't gotten them already, because they will sell out. We do seat almost 500 in here, but don't depend on that. Pick up your tickets as soon as possible, because what will happen is we'll have like 20 seats left, but there'll be separate seats all over the auditorium.
You won't be able to sit with your friends.
You won't be able to sit with your friends. So call us at 207-667-9500 or find the tickets online at grandonline.org. That's Friday night at 7, Saturday night at 7, and Sunday at 2, our last performance being that matinee.
Okay. And there's other things happening as well.
Oh my gosh, yeah, so much. You know, not only am I a film program director here, Chris, and a sales director, I like to sell ads and sponsorships, but also, as many know, I am a world-acknowledged master of suspense. Hitchcock, me. People usually tend to right after that. So we're presenting, in honor of that, a great literate film this coming Thursday night at 7:30, and then again on Friday at 1 with a special captioned film for our seniors or hearing disabled, called Mary Shelley. Who is Mary Shelley?
Who is Mary Shelley?
Who is Mary Shelley? Mary Shelley is the authoress, the creator of one of the most terrifying creations known to both literary fiction and science fantasy fiction. And that, of course, is Frankenstein's horrific monster. She wrote the book Frankenstein, or The Modern Prometheus, as is also known. And she was channeling a lot of personal monsters and issues and just horrible things in her own life into this great story. So we hope that everybody comes out Friday night at 7:30 to see Elle Fanning as Mary Shelley, or Friday at 1 o'clock for this captioned show. It will terrify as well as educate. And you can take it from me, Robin Jones, master of suspense.
Oh, sorry, I wasn't supposed to laugh.
It's supposed to be a chilling laugh.
Hold on. Much better. Okay. All right. That's this week at the Grand.
Yep.
We'll leave on an upbeat note.
Yes, very much.
For all things Grand, go to the website grandonline.org. You can always call the box office 667-9500. Thanks for watching. Check out all the other videos we have on the WDEA YouTube channel.